How to fix repost problems showing on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So this problem may arise due to the this problem may arise due to the feature not available in your region, or you may have not updated the TikTok to the latest version. So first of all, open up the Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now open up Settings application. Now go to Apps, tap on App Management and find TikTok. Now click on Full Stop, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to say topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.